One drop without a good case, and your semester gets expensive fast. These 5 protect your iPad through every class, commute, and coffee shop. From a premium kickstand case with a 2-year warranty to a rugged full-body triple-layer shell. Subscribe. Let's find the right one. The ZUGU is the premium pick. 5-foot drop protection with reinforced corners, a 10-angle magnetic kickstand that holds firm at every position without slipping, a built-in Apple Pencil Pro pocket on the back, auto wake charm sleep cover, and a 2-year warranty with optional screen repair coverage if your iPad breaks inside the case. Slim profile adds minimal bulk despite the protection level. Compatible with iPad Air 11-inch M2, M3, and M4, 2024, 2025, and 2026 models. Available in 10 colorways. The magnetic kickstand holds firm through drawing sessions, video calls, and note-taking at every angle without shifting. 30-day free returns included. Links are in the description. Check it out. The Spigen Tough Armor Pro is the slim dual-layer pick. TPU inner layer absorbs shock, a hard PC outer shell distributes impact, and air cushion technology in the corners handles the most vulnerable point of any drop. A built-in kickstand supports portrait and landscape use. Precision cutouts for Apple Pencil wireless charging and all ports. Compatible with iPad Air 11-inch M2, M3, and M4 models. Slim enough to slide into any bag sleeve without added bulk. For students who want trusted dual-layer protection with a kickstand and a slimmer profile than traditional rugged cases, the Tough Armor Pro is the balanced everyday pick. The ESR magnetic keyboard case turns your iPad into a laptop for class. Detachable Bluetooth keyboard connects magnetically and holds firm during typing sessions. The folio case provides multiple standing angles for lectures, note-taking, or tablet mode without the keyboard. Front and back protection with raised screen lip and reinforced spine. Compatible with iPad Pro 11-inch and iPad Air 11-inch models. And if this kind of practical student gear content is what you want, subscribe now. We cover the best iPad accessories every week. Battery-free keyboard option draws power directly via smart connector on compatible models. For students in lecture-heavy courses who want a full typing setup without carrying a separate laptop, the ESR is the productivity first pick. The SEYMAC is the full-body rugged pick. 3-layer construction, hard PC shell, inner TPU shock-absorbing lining, and a built-in front screen protector. Covers every surface including the display. Military-grade drop protection tested at 4 feet. Built-in kickstand folds to 2 angles. Apple Pencil holder built into the spine. Compatible with iPad 10th Gen, iPad Air, and iPad Pro 11-inch models. For students who commute with heavy bags, share transport, or simply know they drop things, the 3-layer SEYMAC is the most comprehensive physical protection on this list. Closing with the budget pick. The Akkerds uses heavy-duty TPU bumper corners to absorb impact, a raised bezel to protect the screen face down, and a built-in Apple Pencil holder to keep it safe in a bag. Rubberized grip prevents sliding off desks and tables. No stand, no keyboard attachment, just clean, solid drop protection at the lowest price here. Compatible with iPad 10th Gen 10.9-inch and select Air models. All the links are in the description below. Every link is in the description. Subscribe and come back next week. We're covering the best iPad accessories to complete your student setup. See you there.